Good afternoon, Georgians. Welcome to online class. Fifth lesson, PowerPoint 2007, Part 2, Standard 6th. Last time we have studied about how to insert a table. Same time we have seen how to put colors in every column and row. Same time you can give shading, border and effect to it. Now, last time we have completed up to page number, you can say 65 and 66. So we are going to see today page number 67 and we are going to learn how to insert a chart. Okay, so now already I have inserted a chart. You can see here, right? One example. I will show you practically how to insert a chart, right? Now we are going to learn how to insert a table. Same time we have learned entering data in a table. Same time we have seen last time about the table tools. If you remember, these three things we have completed in our previous lecture, right? So now what we are going to do, we are going to learn it today, how to insert chart. Okay, so I'm going to show you practically how to do it. Okay, just see now. Now last time also I have told you how to insert a new, you can say, slide. How we can do it, you can just focus to your left hand side, slide number 2. I just right click and you can see new slide, right? Now can you see new slide is there, right? Now I'll just make the size bigger. You can see with the mouse you can drag it and you can make it bigger. Now how to insert a table, you have to click on insert and then insert chart. Can you see that option? We are on page number 67, right? How to insert a chart. I'm explaining you how to insert a chart, right? Now whenever we are inserting a chart, there should be some information, otherwise what will come in the chart? So what you can do, you can prepare a table, maybe roll number 1 to 5 or any 5 roll numbers, 6 subject marks you give out of 80. Okay, make 3 languages, okay, social study together and science and maths, and make the total 80, and out of 80 you give some marks. Don't give marks 0 marks, give marks according to your way, and then select that whole table, then click on insert and then go on chart. Now you can see when I click on insert, I can see your chart. Once I click on chart, if nothing is there, computer will collect some information by its own. Now see, once I click, what happens? Now once I click, you can see different options are there in chart, right? For example, you can see a template, column, line, pie, bar, area, okay, surface, bubbles, right? Different patterns of, you can say charts are there. Currently I start with the simplest one, which is already selected there. Once I click on OK, it will come. Now can you see the difference? Already series 1, 2 and 3, one Excel file has come, which is helping me out to see the slide. Can you see the 2 partitions there? Okay, it is by default selected by the computer itself, right? So now I just cancel this Excel part. You can see without information, no table can come, right? So you can see one example here, right? Category 1 to 4, series are given 1, 2 and 3, and some you can say numbers are given there, right? So I am just closing this Excel part. Now can you see this? It's quite easy to see, right? Now you can see there, click add, you can see option, it is showing there. If you want, you can change this one, click on layout and you can go for blank. Can you see it has gone? Now once I click on this table, what all things I'm going to see in charts. Now, first component of a chart comes is the chart area, where it is, this is called chart area. Can you see this? See the slide where this arrow has come. This is called chart area, right? Now this chart area can be made big and small. Can you see I'm dragging it? Just to make you understand, I'm dragging it and making it bigger. Now this is chart area. Okay. After that chart area, next comes the category axis. Now when I see category axis, how will come to know axis? We can see horizontal category axis. Can you see horizontal? I have told you one word just to remember. Many students have this confusion in mathematics. What is vertical line and what is horizontal line, right? Remember only one, the Marathi word. When you go up or when you draw a line up, in Marathi you say vertical line. Easiest one to understand, vertical line, vertical line. Now I am sure 100% you will remember this word for longer time. So this was horizontal, and this you can see vertical value axis, right? So two categories are there, that is horizontal and vertical value axis, y axis and x axis, right? Then category names, that is the fifth one. Category name you can see here. Okay, categories are there, and this series, what you can see, it is the series called as legend, you can say entry. That is also a component of your, you can say, charts. And the plot area. Now what are the plot areas? You can see, can you see this plotting? This is this area, this lining is called as plot area. Now I have made you very easy and very clear to understand what are different components of, you can say, chart, right? Now next part is creating a chart. I have shown you how to create a chart, right? Some data should be there, only then it is possible, right? Then changing the chart type. Suppose I don't want this pattern, I want to change. First go to a empty area. Now this is empty area, right click. Then you can see option called change chart type. Once you click on this, different options will come again. Can you see that? Now for example, I'm selecting bubble. Here also different patterns are there, right? I select any one. Now can you see anything has appeared? No. So we will try to change it. Okay, sometime it happens. Can you see the difference? The diagram has changed, right? So one example I'm showing you how to change the chart type, right? Same time there are some other options called formatting a chart. Formatting, again I have shown you different options are available, right? In chart area, click change font, you can say chart type. These are, you can say, different, you can say, modification options are there, right? You can modify it how you want. I am trying one more. You can see there XY scatter. Can you see the option? Yeah, again there is a change. Okay, so you can bring different pattern, different style, different shapes, different style, different color can be decided. Even different colors are possible, right? You double click on any, for example now green is there, double click. Can you see option there, chart style? These options are there, right? Now see I'm making changes. Can you see changes? It's happening down there. So these are chart style, these are chart layout. You can see here different pattern, different options are there in this also. Change chart type, two patterns I have shown you. One is right click, change chart type, and other one you can see here, it is showing here this corner. This is change chart type. Sometimes some computers you will not find this option. So to make you understand, shortcut is there. In chart area, right click and change chart type. So very easy to understand. Same time your background color, right? You can change your background color also and you can make it attractive. Now see, for example, formatting, you can see this border color, border style, shadow, 3D format, right? Different options are there. Now for example, I'm going for other pattern. Now if I don't want this color, so many patterns are there. Fire, can you see it is change? I'll show you one time. See this. See, so you can go for different background color, different fill effects, 3D effects are possible. So it's quite easy to make your presentation more attractive with the help of PowerPoint. So we have completed with our fifth lesson, right? Next time, very soon, I will be uploading you the notes of this lesson. Write it down in your textbook. If you don't have textbook, write in a notebook or a page and keep it safely with you, right? So we have done with our fifth lesson. Stay home, be safe. Goodbye for now.